we started off with 1 can of our sausage gravy. Go ahead and get all of that gravy out. This is in my frozen pie crust. Delicious. Now I'm coming in with some eggs. I have 5 eggs here, and we're just gonna pour that right in there with our gravy. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious breakfast. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more sausage to our sausage gravy. This is the already pre-cooked sausage crumbles. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I'm just gonna add about a cup of our sausage crumbles in there. All right, now this is optional, but I'm gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese shreds. I'm using a Tillamook, and we're just gonna add a beautiful amount of our Tillamook cheese in there. Now we're gonna season this up real quick. I have some pepper, freshly ground pepper that we're gonna get right in there. Whoa, this is coming together perfectly. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I like salt with my eggs. You can skip it if you want to. And for my secret ingredient, my onion butter seasoning.
Ooh.
Oh, I will put this on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is so good. Okay, and you can even add some fresh onions in there if that's what you like. Okay, this is looking great. It is time to get this nice and well mixed. We have our gravy, our sausage, our eggs. This is gonna be almost like a play on gravy and biscuits. It is gonna be delicious and the best breakfast you've never had before. All in a pie crust. It's kind of like a quiche mixed in with our biscuits and sausage. All right, this is fully mixed together. It looks incredible. Now, of course, we need a crust for our pie. So I have a crescent dough sheet, but we're not gonna use this how you think we would. Woo! Go ahead and get this open. It's okay if it rips apart. It always rips apart. That's one thing you can count on with this dough sheet. And that's why we're gonna use it a little bit differently. So go ahead and get your crescent dough sheet out. And then I have some scissors here, and we are just gonna go ahead and cut our dough just like this, right on top of our pie sheet.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and these are gonna puff up and just make like kind of a biscuit for our biscuits and gravy quiche. Oh yeah, because you can't have biscuits and gravy without the biscuits, right, babe?
That's for sure. I thought the pie crust was the biscuit, but this makes more sense.
Yeah, I mean, both can be them. Okay, and you could also just use Pillsbury biscuits if that's what you prefer, but I already had this in my fridge and I didn't want it to go to waste, so that's what we're doing. All right, we're finishing this off with a quick butter brush on our little dough sheet bites. Just quickly get it nice and buttered so that it can be browned up and look flaky and delicious. You could also do an egg wash. That seems appropriate for our egg quiche pie. But that is it, you guys. So easy, so quick. The perfect Sunday brunch that everyone will love. We're gonna go ahead and carefully pop this in the oven. It's set to 350 and it's gonna cook for 40 minutes. Oh my, look how delicious this came out. Those perfectly crusted, browned crescent dough. Oh, and it rose perfectly. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this. I cannot wait for breakfast. Cut all the way through to that crust. Oh, yeah, that looks so good.
Whoa.
The perfect slice. Woo! Oh my. We got the sausage, the egg, the gravy. This is about to be good. Oh my goodness. That is delicious.